Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Keenan, good morning, good morning. What up, what up, what up? Easy, what up, man? Good morning. We're bright and early today, gentlemen. We're bright and early because got an early morning to get to working. I got to drive like 2.5 hours for one of my clients, so. We're bright and early today, gentlemen. We're bright and early because. It's 1:30 p.m. for you. That's kind of nice. I think I might enjoy trading in the afternoon, having a morning, and then locking in the afternoon. Just so much can happen before 1:30 though. Might have some good news, might have some bad news. You get a little stressed out. So I kind of like being able to start with trading and moving on with the rest of my day. Sometimes it doesn't feel good if it's a red day, you know. But yeah. Hey, we are officially signed with our guys working with Funded Hero. So I'm excited to kind of talk about that. We'll get into that here in a little bit, but we'll kind of go over the account size. Today we'll be giving away a 25K TopStep phase 2 challenge account. So yeah, I'm kind of pumped about that, man. Not gonna lie. Yeah, I don't open the charts till 12 to 1. It's smart, easy. It's smart, sir. I don't know if you guys use Trade Locker, but this will be my first day using Trade Locker. I'm gonna do Forex on Trade Locker, trade NAS and XAU USD. So USD. So bear with me. I gotta learn a little bit. Gotta learn a little bit of everything. Clean the charts up. They post this in the Discord. Easy, don't tell me you are in the UK, right? Hopefully I got that right, bro. Sorry. Yeah, I think you're in the UK. I think I remember you saying UK. I don't like the volume indicator. How do I take this out? Nice. Just got to keep it nice and clean. This is the 5 minute. Get down to the 1 minute. Very, very nice. Very nice. I like Trade Locker. It's basically, it looks like a Trading View overlay. Okay, sweet. See, I've got somewhat of a good memory. Somewhat. Okay, so yeah, a little bit of an issue with price difference on gold. Price movement is correct, but 4,220 and that 4,251. So price is somewhat different in the Forex space, but the candle movements are pretty much the same. The patterns look the same. So, gonna be interesting. Gonna be an interesting morning. Interesting morning. Da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da. I know we got some news today too. In an hour and 25 minutes, we have PMI. So we gotta, if there is a setup beforehand, it's got to be at least 30 minutes beforehand, because I don't want to get caught in a trade during news. But yo, the main man, Shaq. What up, man? I'm doing well, my friend. I'm doing well. Just morning and taking it slow. You know, just trying to soak up the morning vibes. Even though my morning starts at 4 o'clock, so it's already 6. Went to charge my Tesla because I have to drive 2 hours, so I had to charge that. Grab my coffee. Messaged my team. They're already editing videos and taking care of our clients. And I'm back. That is how you enter the chat. I love it. FX do, right? Yeah. I think you joined the chat too, or the Discord. What's up? Y'all want to take this trendline break, but it's way too early in the morning. What's up, Xers and Shaq? Nothing much, brother. Welcome. That is a beautiful, nice trend line break. Bro, what app do you advise for someone to use for trading as a beginner? Trading View. I need to get a link and put that inside of the description because it's easy for everybody to click there. Trading View, completely free app. It doesn't. You can just download it for free, open up the charts, open up a fake demo account, and just start throwing fake money into the markets. You know what I mean? So that's my suggestion. That's where I started. Just tuning in. What's up, Eric? What up? Where are you at in the neck of the woods? Did you drive across the country? What state are you in now? All right, let's do our quick morning debrief with my call center team. We do like afternoon debriefs at the end of the day. So let's do our morning debrief as a team, okay? On gold on the 1 hour, let's mark off our supply and demand zones. We got a supply right over here, which we've already tapped, and then our demand right over here. Okay, so if there's any trades within the next 2 hours, it's going to happen in between these areas. Shaq, thanks, bro. Shaq, with you aren't monetized yet. How much watch time do you need? I actually just got monetized. Well, I just applied to monetize this morning. So that's crazy that you asked me. but I finally reached the watch time hours and I just applied to be monetized. So that's crazy that you asked that. I'm in South Carolina picking up steel coil to head over to Georgia, and then I don't know where I go from there. That's cool. It's cool that you live by like each stage. You know what I mean? It's like you kind of. A buddy of mine flies jets, like private jets for guys. He's the same way. It's like I'm like, hey man, where are you going? He's like, oh, I'll be here in Tampa, and then I fly out to Nebraska or whatever, and then I don't know where I go from there. And I was like, dang, that's crazy. But nice, man. Glad you made it safe. I'm sure you've seen some crazy stuff out there on the road. I'm running for the next 3 weeks and then going home for Christmas and New Year's. Good for you. And I also understand that, you know, the job pays well, but it's also not easy when you're away from family for so long. So nice. Hope you get monetized. Thank you so much. Me too. Hopefully there's nothing on my channel that scares them to not get me monetized, but we shall see. All right, so I got the 1 hour supply and demand marked off. And if we zoom into the 5 minute, for us to take a trade on gold longs or gold shorts, we'd want to see this last lower high, or I always get that wrong. This last higher low broken below, and then we would enter in a supply. Guys, it's too, I can't talk. This is what I want to see. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. That's what I want to see. The coffee didn't kick in yet. Coffee did not kick in yet. Let's go over to our buddy Naz. Let's go down to the 1 hour. Let's clear the charts. I have to clear the charts every day. Now we're gonna mark off this 1 hour demand. Bada bing, bada boom. We are also in a 1 hour supply, so it's a very tight range that we're in right now. So I wouldn't be intrigued to trade anytime soon on NQ. Only thing I would like to see is price rally at open, come back and retest to go higher again, something like that. And then vice versa. We would want to see a break below this 1 hour demand, come back and retest to go short. So those are the two plays I'm looking at on NQ this morning. If we look at another supply zone on NQ, if we look left, we look far left, here is a supply zone. And then here is another supply zone to watch. Now, do we get to that today? I don't know. I don't know. But everything's marked off. So we've got that. We got the EMAs. And we also have this wonky little trend line. I'll draw just like that. Not the prettiest trend line, but we'll keep it there. All right, we're clear skies. We have news in about an hour or so. So let's just hang tight, stay patient, not try to guess anything, and wait for an opportunity. Thank you, man. I got a final exams last month left, and I moved to college and completely go all in on trading. Nice, bro. Nice, nice, nice. I love it. Love the grind. That's such a vibe. We went to college. Now I'm on the grind. I'm happy for you, bro. Don't give up. And I used to think college wasn't a good thing. I only went to one semester in a community college, but I respect college. We need people to go to college to learn and to, take on jobs that require college degrees. I just couldn't. I went to community college and it felt like it was high school all over again because I saw all my high school friends. I was like, this ain't for me. And then I went off and did odd jobs and then started a few businesses. But yeah, sucks being away. It has to be done. Trading from my phone and my job has hindered my trading growth. Yeah, I can't imagine that, man. I can't imagine having to trade from your phone. Mobile. I don't know, maybe invest in what is it called? Tesla satellite, Starlink. Right? So you got like actual strong internet and then a basic MacBook, bro, like a 2020, 2021 MacBook, 16 gigs of RAM, M1. Those things are beasts and at a good price point. And trade from laptop, you know, because trading from a phone can be very distracting. You get text messages, you get calls. So yeah, just a friendly thought and suggestion that came to mind. I'm gonna practice. This is all practice. I'm gonna practice trading with Trade Locker. So we're gonna go in one lot and see what happens here. So this is an eval with Funded Hero. So let's try. Let's try shorting this. Confirm. Okay, we're in. Short. Can I just lift? Can I? Okay. Can I? What do I do here? Oh, okay. I got it. I go here. SL. Nice. And then if I do TP. Nice. Why is it pending? It doesn't tell me how much I'm gonna make. Let's see if it fills. Hey, how come you didn't fill? Am I missing something, guys? On Trade Locker? I'm so confused. Oh no, I just entered in 2 positions. Confirmed. Okay. Stop loss. Let's see if it hits the stop loss, it should stop me out. That's what I'm trying to draft SL. Okay, stop me out. How come you're not stopping me out? Stop loss. Draft. Why is it a draft? So? Dang it. It filled me again. Filled me again. I am Confucius. You're supposed to stop me out. Stop loss. Stop loss. It says draft. No. Hey, that's a pending order sell. What I want to do is pending. Yes, yes, yes. Buy stop. Buy. Aha! Okay, now it should stop me out. Oh my gosh, it didn't. Alright, we're gonna have to figure out how to set the parameters on Trade Locker. Yeah, sucks being away, but it has to be done. Trading from my phone, my jobs have really hindered my growth. Yeah, I feel you, bro. I have a laptop and an iPad that has cellular data, but only times I'm able to trade when I'm sitting down or when I shut down in the evening. And that's the Asia session on the weekends. Oh, dang. I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. Yeah, you probably want to go into crypto so you can trade the weekends, but the volume's kind of low. So, yeah, that's a little bit rough. It's a little bit rough. Excuse me. That's rough, man. Traveling and trading isn't easy. That isn't easy. What are you confused about? Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to do stop limits orders. Like SL, stop, SL and TP. I want a prop firm account, please. Yes. We're going to be doing a giveaway today at some point with Funded Hero. Is it not stopping out because of the spread? I forget about everything every time I trade Forex after being on futures. No, I think I'm not reading the system right. I think there's something that I'm missing. Because it's market order pending. Okay, I see here. So there's a... Let's try this again. Oh, let me go... Sell stop. Okay, so there you go. I can mark off where my stop loss would be, where TP would be, and me getting filled. So, not bad. All right, well, we're just going to be patient. I'm just messing around with Trade Locker. Gold is rallying. Let's take a look at the poll. Let's take a look at the polls right now. 23 minutes ago, I posted this here. Got 19 votes. Heavy news today. Do we rally or tank? 21% of you say fall off the earth today. Duh. Which right now, the markets are kind of booming. 26% of you say to the moon. Stupid. 53%. I am a newbie and want to learn, please. Well, welcome. Welcome all around. Whether you're new or a veteran, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the trading community. I'm your host. I feel like I am a talk show host. I'm your host, Mishak, and today we're going to figure out if we make money or lose money. And just showing up to the markets. You know, that's all you can do. Just show up and wait to see what happens. But gold is definitely running right now, which is cool. NQ finding some sort of support, which is nice. Bring that soothing voice out. Oh, man. Yeah. You're listening to... my voice is not deep enough like those guys on the radio. You're listening to 97.5 Smooth Jam. All right, my combines with TopStep, we're at 51,409 on 2 accounts. So we need 1,600 to pass, which is great. So we're just chilling. I'm feeling good. I got a boost of feeling good. I'm excited to do a giveaway today. What do you think of UI Path? I don't know what UI Path is. Unfortunately, I don't know what that is. Mark has sold. It's a long name. What's up? Good morning. What up? Easy Kid, locked out for the day, broski, on 1 account. Let's go. Or I don't know if that was a good thing or not. Did you hit TP and lock out? If so, congratulations. I'm gonna put this, pin it at the top. Pin, baby, pin. Teddy, what's up, man? What's up? Experience the gospel. Hey. That's a good name. I like that. Good morning. Okay, guys, we have this trend line break on NQ. Right. We do have a 1 hour demand, which makes me a little hesitant. But what I'm going to do is take this out. All right. What I want to see is a 5-minute candle closure below this low here. Okay. And that will trigger us to enter in short in this area. Passing the combine, locked out express. Boom, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Easy. You a real one, bro. Let's go. Make that money. Lock yourself out, bro. Now you're just chilling. Jameson, short. I am a short person, bro. I am. Only 5'5". Just kidding. Yes, I am watching for shorts. I just want to wait for the candle closure on the 5-minute, and then we are going to look to enter in short in this 5-minute supply. Right over here. Valid. XAU USD. Yes, XAU USD I was looking at earlier. It's running right now. Don't want to chase. I'd probably wait for the pullback and retest up in this area, so I'll mark that off. Currently want to see this 5-minute candle close on NQ below this low right over here. Want to see it create break lower than this, lower, high, higher, low. And then we're going to look for shorts. Got an express ready for my open anyway. Whew. Hey, easy. I like it, bro. You got accounts left and right. I like it. Share the love, bro. Share the love. Hey, but today we are giving away an account. Oh, shoot. I didn't put that in the notes. Hold up. This is how I'm learning how to do this, guys. So bear with me. Go unpin message. Comment God handle to enter for the 25K. Okay. Nah, me. Boom. Okay, guys, I have to test this out. This is just a trial run. This isn't legit yet, okay? If a few of you can comment God candle. Okay, all right. Extras did it. This is just are you Mexican or Filipino? Filipinos are basically Spanish, so I'm a little bit of both, but I'm fully Filipino. Okay, watch this, guys. Hold on. This is just practice, but supposedly I take this link. Oh, snap, I just ruined it. Hold up. Wait a minute. Put a little love in it. Okay, so I'm supposed to put this in here. YouTube Live. Bear with me. This is not real. Please, this is not real. Post video link. Fetch. What? Okay, hold on. I don't want to forget this. Hold on. We are triggered to go short. So this is MNQ. We are going to limit sell 10. Whoa, hold up. We're going to limit sell 5. And we're going to go to NAS 100. And I'm going to try one lot. And sell limit. Bro, are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me right now? I might be done for the day. I literally might be done for the day. Yo, I really might be done for the day. Bro. I literally am done for the day. There's no way I'm gonna overcome this feeling. Do you guys see what just happened? Do you see that? Do you see how close we were to getting filled before this massive freaking drop? Freaking frick, bro. I'm not kidding you right now. Who are you? Go away. The Wags family coming in. Oh my gosh. You guys watched this live. You guys watched You guys have watched this live. My entry was right there. We would have passed two combines. Jameson, that's a god candle. Oh, bro. Dude, this sucks. Are you kidding me? Yo. I know I'm being a little bit it's frustrating. I'm a little hyped, but it's because like there's an added sentiment because there's 41 people watching me right now live, and yeah, it would have been sick for me to catch the top of that move, like, but let me come back to my senses. Let me understand. There's always opportunity in the market. You gotta be patient and you gotta wait. But bro, 100 points. Over dramatic drops tend to pump back up. Agreed. That is very true. But dude, something's up. I mean, did news come out? No, not yet. Not yet. We got 10 minutes till this. First time hearing about Funded Hero. Yeah, they're not the biggest prop firm, but I spent some time on the calls with them, and I wanted to partner with them. I'm still going to be trading TopStep and TPT, but I want to work with a handful of exclusive partners. I don't want to be the guy that has like 15. I'm sorry, I can't look at the screen, bro. I just can't. I can't. It hurts. It hurts. I'm sending you my love. That hurts. Yeah, dude. I'm kind of speechless right now. I'm kind of speechless. Old me just getting into trading would probably just jump in right now. Be like, yo, I'm in. I'm short. I'm just going to jump in. I'm going to see what happens. But that's chasing, and then that's gambling, and then I'm trading out of the emotions of my heart of wanting to make money, and that's not good. That's not good. So we're going to feel this pain together. Easy's the one that took the trade, so shout out to you, Easy. Everything's just easy for Easy. He shows up and clicks buttons, and it's just easy for him. But yeah. What are the two charts here? I'm sorry I'm late. I'm joining. Oh, you're good. You're good. This is NQ. We were so close. I mean, so close. I don't even know how close that was. Half a point. Half a point. Just half a point from. Why wait for that retest? Waiting for the retest is the only way for you to have patience, right? Yes, I can just enter in short, but the I don't want to say discipline, but the system, the mindset of waiting for a retest allows you to not get emotional and get trapped into something, right? This 5-minute candle just closed. Imagine I go short right now. Okay. Now it can literally just continue lower, right? But there might be a rebound. The market moves in waves and staircases up and down. There's always a retest. That I can say, there is always a retest. Okay. And it happens whenever it happens. Okay. And so you have to wait for the retest and pullback. I'm going to ask my editor to clip this, and we are going to rewatch it forever on the interwebs together of the moment where we missed it by that much. That's what we're going to do. And I'm going to forever live this horrifying moment together. Okay? Cool. Look out for it, Jameson. Okay, and I want you to like it, and I want you to subscribe. Sorry. You can do whatever you want with that. I'm not asking you to subscribe, but I want you to like it and comment. Haha. That's what I want you to. Haha. Like Nelson in Simpsons. I don't know if you guys know that, but I'm a little wacky right now because look at this freaking. Oh man. I just randomly showed up to watch that happen. Well, welcome to trading, my friend. Welcome to what trading is actually like. There's a wave of emotions, a wave, and it's added obviously because you guys are here with me watching. A wave, just a flooded wave of emotions of how could this happen? Is there a time machine where I can move time back? Why didn't I move my stop, my entry lower? Why didn't I do all these different things? But I'm just following my system, and my system is to enter in the 5-minute candle. Right there. I'm zooming in. My entry was right here. That was my entry. That was my entry. But okay, all right. I'm gonna put on my big boy pants. I'm gonna watch this market tank. We're gonna watch it together, and we're gonna wait for some opportunity. So, is pretty marked manipulation to lower liquids. Come on, bounce. I'd be careful with that, bro. I mean, this right here, this can be more than manipulation. I think this is like the overall market understanding that we're overbought in everything, inflation and yada yada, and this can be just red, you know. Let me take a look at Bitcoin. Yeah, it's bouncing, it's back down, but yeah, let's take a look at NQ. I'm gonna keep an eye on it. We've got a 5-minute demand that we tapped right now. All right, I'm gonna hit buys. 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 Let's do it on the 50K demo eval that I have with Funded Hero. Okay? Let's do it together. Y'all ready? Hold on. Let me make sure. 5-minute right here. 1 hour down here. No, I'm gonna wait for this 1 hour candle. 1 hour demand to hit buys, which is down here. I'll buy soon, guys. Get ready, NQ. Haha. Dude, just trade something else. Well, yes and no. Okay, so there is going to be opportunity to short, but it's going to happen later in the day on the pullback. So yeah, yesterday I was stupid because I was a week and a half out of the market because I was having problems with my broker. And once I was able to do a trade, I was breaking my trading plan and got a bit. I feel you, bro. Yeah, if you watch the market make moves and you couldn't trade, that'll get to you. Wait for the market structure shift and take the run back up. I was gonna scalp it really quick, Eric. I'm gonna like take a few points because there will be a bounce. I just don't know when. Right? Waiting for that market structure shift. I will look for a longer like play, but I'm looking for some sort of bounce. Just a quick bounce. $200-300 scalp, in and out. That's all I'm looking for on this sort of setup. What are your thoughts on buying? Currently, I'm interested in a very short, quick scalp. And when I say short and quick, I mean that like in and out, like on the 1 minute, get in and out up at this 1 minute supply. Like we're out, you know? So let me see if I can do that. So we're going to do pending. pending. We're going to try this on just the eval. This is the eval of... This is the eval, I can't speak, of our funded hero. I'm going to get in and out. Easy. I hear you. I hear you. This is just my eval on funded hero. I'm not top stepping it yet. So, by the way, funded hero is going to be letting me give away 25K accounts every single day, 2-phase. So stay tuned, subscribe, join the Discord. It's completely free. We want to get accounts to people. These guys are great. People in Africa, you know, everyone that's been tuning in from around the world is able to buy an account with Forex. They pay out in crypto. So we finally have a broker or a prop firm that's going to be able to pay out. And I can help people through other countries. Like TopStep, you can't buy it if you're in Africa, you know. Unless you're using a VPN, but, you know, we want to try making it legit, so... I'm going to take this so fast. It's going to be the fastest scalp you'll ever see, okay? Because I'm going to get out. I don't want it to turn red on me too fast. Jamie said, now. Hold on. Hold on. Holy crap. One lot is huge. One lot is huge. One lot is too big. I have not traded Forex in a while. Holy crap. I got to get out. I got to get out. I got to get out. This is... One lot is way too big. One lot is way too big, guys. Come on. Holy smokes. That is not good. One lot is too big. I'm out. Holy... Okay, guys. This is just my demo account. My eval account with TopStep. I mean, funded hero. Oh my gosh, that was stressful. That was stressful. Pending. Okay. All right. Half a lot is all we need. Straight gambling. Yeah, I made it known that I'm just taking a quick scalp, brother. But, you know, you got nothing new from you, bro. Nothing new. All right, I took that scalp. That was 400 something bucks. I was aiming for the top wicks here, but, you know, brother, gambling. I love when people come in just to say I'm gambling when there's no context. And apparently you're a great trader and know what is gambling, what's not. But to each their own. To each their own. But welcome to the gambling channel. Welcome to the gambling channel. Bottom wick is entry. You don't listen to me. Jameson, brother. I hear you, okay? I hear you, but I can't just do what everybody tells me to do in the chat because you don't know how many times that would have been bad, okay? So you're right this time, okay? You're right this time. I can be your mentor. Yeah, please, please. No, I'm just kidding, bro. No, I don't need a mentor right now, so I appreciate it. Easy, you win, bro. Might not need to wait till 9:30. It's gonna move from here, but I'm fine with that. Trading is gambling with strategy, 100%. I'm rage baiting, brother. I looked like you entered with too much size on accident. Oh, okay. Thanks, bro. I try. I can't tell who is rage baiting and who's honestly like being lame. But yeah, appreciate it. Appreciate it. Yes, I'm learning Forex all over again. So I went in with one lot and it was like, yo, what the freak? Are you kidding me? We would have been fine if I held, but I didn't want it. I didn't want to blow up the account. But this is my 50 phase 1 with funded hero. It's phase 1, so you have to get 10%, so 5,000. There's no activation fee after, so it's going to be great to just pass. And so I guess I do have to risk a little bit more because I don't want to scalp up all the way to 5 grand trading small size. It'll take forever. In my opinion, we ain't ready yet. However, I ain't God. That's a good way to say that, bro. That's a good way to say that. Gold longs, I like. Gold longs, I like. If you're just tuning in, we were all sitting up here waiting for shorts, and we all watched it together drop 200 points. Jameson, do you see this, bro? Do you see that we dropped? You were here from the beginning, Jameson, and you saw it. 200 points. Gone. Any tips for beginners? Yes, I suggest downloading TradingView, opening up a demo account, and throwing in some fake money. Watch that fake money go up, or watch it go down, and just get a feel and visualize what it would feel like to be putting money into the market. That's what I would say for the very, very, very beginner stage. How long does it usually take you to pass an eval? I try to do it within, like when I was actually shooting with larger size, like 2 contracts, I try to pass it in 2 days with TopStep. Now I'm a little bit like easygoing, make 500, 800 a day, manage my losses, and I'll pass it in a week or 2. I'm not stressing to try having a express account tomorrow. I used to be, and when I was funded 4 express accounts before I started going live again, 4 express accounts, $3,000 in each account, I was ready for a payout and I blew it all up. So this time around, I ain't stressing it. If and when I pass, I pass. 3.5 days for me. I risk more. Yeah, easy loves his risk. Yo, bro, don't listen to the negative people, bro. You doing good. Thanks, man. Thank you, man. Thank you. I know some of them are just trolls, but sometimes I just gotta say it, Bro, straight gambling. But I know he said that he was rage baiting. SMT, let's go, baby. Entry 2 in. Nice. Yeah, I like the run up. I think there's a high probability of us getting to 25,539 right here. Top of the 5-minute candle. I think that's a high probability area. Market open is just so close that I don't want to rush it right now. What happened is I made a little over $700 on my 25K eval. Boom, baby, let's go. What about trading platforms? Yeah, TradingView is where I would start. If you're gonna go funded hero, they use TradeLocker. I'm still new to TradeLocker, but getting used to it. Kind of like it. God Candle. All right, bro. So the giveaway is gonna happen. It has to happen after the live is over, unfortunately, because when I take the YouTube link, I put it into the YouTube random comment section, and I hit fetch, and it's not working. So I think it has to happen after. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. I'm gonna YouTube this. I'm gonna Google this, I should say. How to choose random comment on YouTube Live. You'll need a third-party comment picker tool, as YouTube does not have a built-in live comment. First, export the live chat log if the tool requires, or paste a video URL into Orstoro or Aux mode. Or post the URL. Okay. Okay, y'all, I think I found something. Oh, hold up. I gotta sign up. Hold up. Wait a minute. Put a little love in it. Good time to buy and hold. I take that. None of this is financial advice, and I probably need to make a disclaimer somewhere on my page. So yes, I am going to do that this weekend. Stand by. I'm trying out different things so I can find a winner. Everybody. I found it. I found what works. Okay, you guys ready? What? Bro, you're working on the other screen over here. What you doing? Maybe I have to close this tab out. Hold on. It's working right over here. Come on, bro. I'm trying to get somebody a free 25K account, y'all. Y'all. Okay, now it doesn't even want to. I'm done. I'm done. I'm giving up. I don't understand what's going on. Let me try let me try yesterday's live. How about we do that? Let's try that. Let's try that. Can we do that? You guys cool with that? Are we cool with that? YouTube random comment picker live. Okay. Enter YouTube video link. Boom. Load comments. This video has no comments. Oh my gosh. So after the live, oh no. That ain't gonna work. It ain't gonna work, bro. We need the live. How am I gonna get the live? Okay, it works. Okay, guys. Okay, it works. I figured it out. If you're in NQ longs, GG's. Happy for you. I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you. Okay, it's working. It's working. Okay, let's do this for market open. Let's give the account away this more. Let's give it away now. Everybody, comment God candle, please. Do it one more time. This is the official giveaway time. Everybody get your comment God candle. I'm about to pick a winner. I'm gonna just take the scale and dip for the day if that don't move off 930 stop loss at entry. Let's go. Let's go. Put comment God candle. Comment God candle. And I'm going to choose the winner. I can't put it in there because it might choose me. No wonder you're so calm. You got a cutie. What are you talking about, Jameson? What do you mean I got a cutie? God candle, God candle, God candle. All right, market open. We're going to type in YouTube comment picker and choose the winner because I'm excited to give away our first account, bro. I'm excited. Shout out to Funded Hero. You guys are the best. Please, in the comment section or in the description, check out Funded Hero. They got futures. They have Forex. Great guys. I'm excited to be a part of them. You will get a 25K account, TopStep. Boom. They're going to give one away, either that or Forex. So you can choose Forex or you can do futures, whichever one you want to get, whichever one you feel comfortable with. It's going to be a TopStep. See, the profit target is 8% for phase 1. Phase 2 is 5%. Daily loss is 6%. And then a maximum loss of 12%. And it's a static drawdown. It's not trailing, bruh. Let's go. That's such a good setup. Good setup. And you can't spam. Don't spam. I just spit. Don't y'all spamming. Hold on. Don't spam, guys. Don't spam. Don't spam. It's not gonna work. All right, we're choosing at 9:30. Market open. So I don't like rush into anything. Wait. 14 seconds. 14 seconds. Let's see what happens. All right. Load comments. Continue. Winners 1. Exclude duplicates. Yes, y'all. So it's not gonna. I don't care how many times you're gonna type in God candle. You're not gonna get it. It's only 1. Minimum mentions. No. Substitutes. Title giveaway. Shack on YouTube. Yes. Give away 5K account. Can't spell. Filter by mentions. No. Oh dang! Is it has to be hashtags? Oh snap! I'm sorry, guys. Bonus. Winner animation, enable sound. All right, guys. If you guys are cool with it, I'm just gonna hit confirm. Since I can't, you guys all commented God candle. I'm not gonna make it like say hashtag God candle. It's just gonna choose a random comment, whether it's God candle or anybody saying anything random. Sorry about it. It's my first time doing the giveaway. Just bear with me. Here we go. A stay hard, brother 2025. Congratulations. I really hope you're still on this live because I don't know if you are, but congratulations to God Candle. Gotta videotape this right quick. Congratulations to God. I mean, not congratulations again. Everyone that commented God Candle, appreciate it. But stay hard, brother 2025. You won the 25K phase 2 account with Funded Hero. Let's go. Jump in the Discord, and I'm going to find you here. Congrats, guys. Can we just get some congrats to stay hard? Stay hard. Brother, I need you to reach out to me somehow. Oh, there you are. There you are. There you are. I see you. I see you. Hold on. Hold on. Go to channel. I'm very new to this like thing where I'm gonna be. Stay hard. I see your YouTube channel. How do I get in contact with you? Stay hard. Stay hard. Stay hard. Thank you. Wow. Yeah, absolutely, bro. I'm happy for you. Let's get you one. Let's get you the account. I'm trying to think here. Stay hard. If you could, bro. How am I gonna know it's you? I mean, if you reach out to me, can someone help me? How do I get make good with the account, bro? Good luck. Congrats. How do I? It's a conspiracy. Stay hard is actually me. Stay hard, brother, is me, and I'm giving the account back to me. Get in his Discord. It's a conspiracy. Okay. Yes. Okay. Stay hard, brother. What I need you to do is go to your Discord, join the Discord. Okay. Say that you're Stay Hard Brother, or change your name. Yeah, but I gotta make sure it's him. Go to profile. Trying to think. I'm at a loss. Go to YouTube bio. Yeah, I'm on his bio right now. This is his account. Yeah, Stay hard, brother. Jump into the Discord for me and comment that it's you, and I'm gonna need you to like send me a screenshot of your YouTube channel, like the YouTube studio, or like somehow that you own the YouTube channel. Put email in bio. I see you have IG. Yes, I do have IG. You can do that. You can jump into my IG, send me a direct message, and then send me a screenshot that you own the YouTube account, and we'll go from there. Send a message on Instagram or Discord. Yes, thank you, Eric. Thank you. Yeah, send me on Instagram, screenshot that you own this channel. And then my guys at Funded Hero are going to send me the account information, and I'll get it to you. Guys, that was fun. Thank you so much. That was actually really fun to be able to say that we're giving away 25K account. That was exciting. Thank you so much. And let's do it. We'll do it again. And the morning's just started. So let's keep the good times rolling. This was a fun live. Yeah, I think this was fun too. I agree with you, bro. This was fun. Now we're just wait. We're just waiting. I like the longs. Let's check out gold. Oof. Gold and the demand that I said earlier. Buys right here. Perfect run up. I would probably take a buy here. Or the continuation higher if we get down there. So I'm going to put an alert on NQ. On NQ, I'd be looking for the break of this candle short. That was a weird opening, gain to load, but haven't been there market open like that yet. That was a weird opening, gained to load, but haven't been there a market open like that yet. Oh yeah, I see what you're saying. Yeah, I suppose there will be buyers, but we also got to understand that this huge sell-off doesn't always mean there's going to be a huge retest, right? So I want to, all right, there will be a retest, but it's not going to happen today, or sorry, there will be a retest. I just don't know when the retest is going to happen, right? So, I want to keep an eye on both opportunities here in the sense that I'm going to watch this trend line on the 1 minute form and look to short it if it breaks. The retest, I'd be looking at up here. So let's just stay patient. Gold longs. Oh, we missed the freaking longs. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Hold on, hold on. My alert went off too late. Are you kidding me? Whoa, 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 whoa. Did you just put me in two lots? Guys, this is my 50K eval with funded hero. Yep, I went in too big. I went in too big. I went in 5 lots, not 0.5 lots. Having trouble with the lot sizes, guys. Having trouble with the lot sizes. I'm going to take a quick shot short, risking 250 bucks on this trendline break. It might be a fake out, and I'm totally fine with it, but I'm taking the shot. The reason being is there's 1 hour demand down here that I'm hoping to see us tap before we move higher. All right, it was a fake out, which is fine with me. It was a fake out, y'all. It was a fake out trendline break. But I took the stab short, looking for the continuation lower. So all good, all good. Part of the game, part of the game. XAU USD, that counts back up to 49,702. I just need to be very careful and trade the correct lot size. So now I'm going to sit back and see if we get up into this 1 hour old demand, new supply. So right up here. Right up here. So I'd want to see price. Mess that up. I'd want to see price come up here to go short, but that's a little ways away. So we might be chilling here for a while. Dang it. Don't do this to me. When is news? When is news? When is news? Ah, news is in 17 minutes. All right, we're not gonna trade. We're gonna wait for news. I joined the Discord trading with Easy. Got it. That works. I got you. Let's go. Trading. I am trading with Dez. I said trading with Easy. I am going to message you directly. Congrats. What's your... All right, brother. I just emailed you asking for some info, and then I'll get you that account. Sorry guys, I was trying to catch up here. By the way, the point that NQ tanked from is the high of the line of the fixed volume range on the 4-hour time frame. Oh, interesting. Okay. Wouldn't this be being greedy on keeping it through the positive reversal? I don't know what that means. Hey Shaq, it's Miles. Miles Z06. Miles in Tampa. Miles Corvette Z06. If that's you, bro, what's up, man? What's up? Yeah, I know what I said, but I re-entered. Okay, nice. Small amount, but we'll see. It'll bounce back up. Trendline breakouts are why I decided to start learning market structure. Agreed. I kind of like the continuation shorts because there's momentum going short, and then there's an hour supply down here. So I'm deciding whether to take it one more time. I'm going to see how this 5-minute candle closes, guys, and try to go short one more time. Miles in Tampa, yes, Miles, bro. What's up, man? How are you, guys? Miles is the guy. Miles is crazy because like you used to be just just a little jit. You're just a little kid. I was like a teenager. You're a little kid. We'd be running around, crazy, grown man. You're doing great. I think I see that you have the Z06 and you guys look happy, so I'm happy for you, bro. Welcome. Thanks for joining. Bro, please analyze BTC. I will analyze BTC in a second. I'm just going to take this short. I'm taking it short because I'm going with the momentum, guys. I'm going with the momentum of NQ to see if it continues short. That's it. That's all I'm doing. And if it doesn't, it doesn't. That's my last shot. This is my last shot trying to short it. This is my last shot trying to short NQ. And his news is in freaking... All right. Down 500 on the TopStep, which is all good. I'm going to not try to short this now because there's news in 15 minutes. So just sitting on my hands. Gonna sit on my hands. Sorry for the typo. I'm using talk to text. All good. I use talk to text all the time. I literally just started investing into stocks and options. Do you have experience with that? I used to trade stocks and options. I used to trade options heavily. Very volatile instrument. If you're trading weeklies, if you're trading, monthlies, you could probably get away with some of the volatility. But they're great instruments to trade, and you could definitely make a lot of money doing it. I don't have much suggestions about it. There's many ways to make money in the market, guys. All that matters is if you're making money, right? So whether it's SMC or supply and demand or I don't know, macroeconomics and looking up the company that you're investing in and seeing that it's going to be bullish or whatever it is, as long as you make money, that's all that matters, right? So choose the style that fits you. Choose the trading style that suits your lifestyle. If you're working a lot or if you don't like looking at the charts for hours, choose what's right for you. Are you up today? Nope. There's a big fat $500 loss currently on the screen. I don't know if you can see it, but we're just getting started. So Let me see here. Did Dez, trading with Dez, if you are in the Discord, I sent you a DM, bro. I sent you the DM. And the Discord's free, guys. Discord's free. I probably lost on this one because of the news. Tried catching some sort of crazy movement right before news, but look at this choppiness here. I actually sold my Corvette. Oh, okay, gotcha. I have two MK4 Supras now. One makes 1,100 wheel horsepower, and the other one makes 1,600 wheel horsepower. Love them. I have a Z6 C601 being built right now, bro. That is so awesome. When you got the Corvette at first, like, okay, this guy's a gearhead. Okay, cool. I like it. Now you went above and beyond me, bro. I actually just sold my Supra, MK5 Supra, Monday. Sold, and I'm looking for an R33 GTR. That'll be like my long-term car I'm gonna hold for a while. But congrats, bro. You like speed more than I do, so I can't handle speed like that. 1,100 wheel horsepower. My MK5 at 400 horsepower scared me, so I took a loss today as well. I feel you, bro. Day's not over yet. I probably got one more in me, but just going to try to stay patient. I got to leave early today for one of my clients. I got to drive. I also messaged you on IG. Awesome. Stay hard. Thank you. I replied to you on Discord directly from me asking for your information so that I can have the team send you the credentials. Looks like everyone waiting for the news with the slow it's moving. Yeah, I mean, look, it looks like it wants to go down, but with the news, it might just keep chopping. I want to learn as much as I can about trading and whatnot. I'm an absolute noob. Bro, welcome, Miles. This is the place to learn, okay? I got no courses to sell. I got nothing to sell you guys. I just have the prop firm that I'm representing, which is in the description below. If you decide to buy a funded account with them, my code ShackMT gets you 60% off, which is actually better than what they're offering right now on the website. So ShackMT gets you 60% off. But Miles, if you join my Discord, I have a few hours of free content in there of me teaching one of my friends, Fred. Shout out to you, Fred. Supply and demand and what I look for. Completely free. You can jump in there. But Miles, I suggest looking at market structure and then learning what market structure is, and supply and demand is how I trade. Now, will you continue to use this setup? Most likely not. You'll probably find your own edge. You'll probably find out other indicators. But if you want to have a baseline, market structure kind of overlaps a lot of different strategies. So sorry for the long rant, but you're here. Figured I'd give that to you. What I'm wondering is when you enter into a trade, do you quickly the time it takes for me to go into my broker and log in, select the stock and enter the trade takes 2 minutes, the opportunity. Yeah, you need to, I don't know what platform you're using to trade, but you need something, it's set up for scalping. So that all depends on what broker and platform you're using. I'll keep everyone up to date on how I do with the account I won. Let's go, stay hard. Yeah, bro, you got in the Discord, you gotta go in the Discord, stay up to date with us, tell us where you're at. Join the Funded Hero account, Discord too. It's on their website. And you guys, they're going to post me with them soon. I'll be trading live with them soon. We're just kind of working out the logistics of it. So 60% off promo code. It's crazy. Look at the website, bro. Look at the website. Buy one, get one free after first payout. 30% off. Use code buy one, get one, which that's a cool one. Or Hero 40, which is 40% off. Well, Futures is different. Futures live. If you want to go funded right away, that's 90% off all challenges. So I got 60 on everything. If you want to go live, obviously do this. Oh, no, this is just a challenge. So these guys are really cool. I like the fact that, like, let's take a look at futures. Since news is a few minutes away, let's take a look at their, this is instant, 1 step, okay, and then 2 step. So if you want to go instant funded, you can get 60% using my code. You get a daily loss limit of $1,250, a trailing max drawdown of $2,000, and drawdown is end of day. So, it's not like Apex where it's following you as you go into profit. There's a 20% consistency rule, which is expected in the sense that you're just getting funded for a low amount of money. So take that consistency rule with a grain of salt. I have a video that I want to make about consistency rules, because whether it's a 30 or 40 or 50% consistency rule, don't worry about trying to make the consistency rule happen. Take big trades. If you have bigger profits, take the money, and then once you got a big buffer, then start working on getting that 20% consistency down, is my opinion with the consistency. One step funded is going to be profit target 3,000, 1,500 daily loss, and then maximum loss is 2,000 for only 45. And then 50K two step is 45, 2,800 profit target, 2,300 maximum loss, but it's 2 steps to pass with them. And there's no minimum amount of days that you need to take to pass. Our shorts are working out. It sucks, but it is what it is. What prop firm is the promo for? It is for Funded Hero. They are the link is in the description. Funded Hero. R33s are sick. I love R33s and R34s. I hope you find your dream car. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, I'm still in the search. I'm gonna take my time and find the one. I'm not a gearhead. I'm more of like I'm more of a purist. So I'm not gonna like slap a big old Garrett turbo on there. I'm just gonna keep it somewhat stock, maybe a little bit more horsepower, and just drive it. I'm glad to see that you're doing well and thriving. Thanks, brother. I appreciate it. Thank you. It means so much. Same to you, bro. Stay in touch. If you're not on Instagram with me, or if I'm not following you, or if you're following me, I'll try to follow you. I want to stay in touch with you, bro. Is a prop firm available in Canada? Yes, it is. It's international. I think there are like a handful of countries that you can't go to, but I believe Canada's in there. Good old Canada. All right, 5 minutes till news. We're just chilling. Let's take a look at gold. Nice. Gold is now in short territory. I like shorts on gold. Since we broke this low here, I would like to enter in short up here to make the next leg lower. But let's wait for... Hey, let's do our morning check-ins. We got 5 minutes till news drops. Morning check-ins. Where's everybody at? Obviously, Mr. Wolf Hunt, you're in Canada. Welcome. Where's everybody at in the world? I reside here in the beautiful state of Arizona. We had a lot of people coming in from South Africa last week. But tell me where you're at, where you're from. Tell me your social security number, your date of birth. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Just let me know where y'all are from. And the likes are a little low. The likes are just slightly low today. We're only at 22, but we've had a lot of viewers and comments. So would love to earn a like. Just a like. Not a sub yet. You don't have to sub to me. I'm good with you. Don't have to sub. But a like. Can I get a like? It gets the algorithm juices flowing. Gets people watching. Just trying to have a good time. Louis Dog 1288 New Jersey. I've been to New Jersey one time, and I was with a Italian friend of mine, and we got in a Super Snake Mustang. They were a pretty wealthy family. They bought and sold paintings, and I'll never forget it. I sat behind this in the backseat of the Super Snake Mustang, holding on for dear life as they ripped through the New Jersey streets. My S13 makes 430. Oh, okay. Here's what we're gonna do in the Discord. We are going to make a car channel, a car talk channel. So Eric and I and Miles and everybody else that has cars or into cars can talk about it. Your S13 makes 430 with the angle kit and everything. A friend of mine who works on the FD team did the alignment. So, bro, see, 430 is a good enough amount of power for me to like slam it and not fear for my life as much. And with it being rear wheel drive that you got, and you rip that e-brake and pow on it, that sounds like a fun car. Miles got 1,500 horsepower. Like you just gently tap the gas and you're, you know what I mean? It's like, you know. So to only have fun, you have to go to the track with that, dude. There's no way, Miles, you should not be in the streets of Tampa, freaking hitting that hard. Okay. If you are, you know, do you do you. Malaysia, welcome. Yes, hello. I remember you. I appreciate you being such a regular tuner. Yes, hello. I appreciate you. Ohio, I think you're the same guy that's coming from Ohio. If not, if you're new, welcome. Like I tell everybody, Ohio has a dear place in my heart. I was in Willoughby, Ohio. I was there for one winter, and I put my tail between my legs and went back to Florida. That had to be a hell of a ride. Louis Dog. Yeah. That's a sick ride. I'll flex my bicycle, but I do love cars. Your bicycle? What bicycle? You know what's funny is here in Scottsdale, you know, there are kids with bikes everywhere, and they're all electric. And I remember growing up, like, having to manually pedal myself everywhere. And now I see all these kids in freaking electric bikes. I'm like, what? And I remember my scooter, my Razor scooter. Remember, you gotta push it. Well, no one pushes themselves around. They just flick the wrist because it's all electric. So it's kind of sad. Appreciate the likes, guys. Appreciate the likes. Okay, news is about to drop, so we can see if there's a move that's gonna happen here. Just a rusty old bike that takes me everywhere. I love it, bro. I want to find myself, you know, a nice little mountain bike. Pedal around here in the mountains. All right, we got NQ. News just dropped, everybody. News just dropped. Buyers are stepping in on NQ. Everybody stay tight. Keep your stop losses tight. Be patient. And let's see what happens. Dez, I got your message. Hey, good morning, Jonathan. Copy that. I'll leave 30. Have to charge the 10. I'll leave. At around. I live in Arkansas, but I run all over the Midwest, East Coast, but so much northeast of Florida. Oh, I didn't know you live in Arkansas, Eric. I didn't know that. It's a good central place to be at, right? to travel, with your profession of traveling. It's like central. Imagine if you lived in California and you drove. That means you'd have to like drive all the way back if you had a load in not Nebraska, North Carolina or something, right? Okay. I definitely like the run back up on NQ. If I want to be super aggressive on my entry, or not aggressive, but conservative, it would be up here on this 1 hour supply. But the other entry point would be right here, which is the bottom of this 1 hour candle. Gold is taking forever to kind of get to our entry point, but I'm going to put some alerts here. But NQ is running up faster. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Forgot someone was looking at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's coming back up, which is nice. Let's jump to the daily time frame. 8 hours left on the daily, so it looks like we've made a new higher low or lower high. Higher low. And I could see us getting to 100K based on these candlesticks on the daily on Bitcoin. On NQ, I'm liking the shorts on NQ. Not the greatest trend lines to look at right now on NQ, which is fine. 5-minute candles here. 5-minute candle is inside, this 200 EMA is inside of this 1 hour old demand. So what I'm going to do is keep an eye on this area. I'm looking to short NQ in this box. Here are the confluences and why I am choosing to short, just so everybody knows I'm not just willy-nilly taking it. But I'm looking to short here based on a few things. So one, large sell-off, broke all of these lows on the 5-minute and 1 hour. Two, a break and retest of the 1 hour demand. So this box, this 1 hour box here, used to be a demand zone where price would potentially go higher, right? So this is a break and retest of the 1 hour. So we broke down. I'm looking for the retest of this old demand, new supply to go short, right? That's that second confluence. And then two, if we go to the 5-minute on my trading view, there's a 200 EMA. The 200 EMA is a very widely used exponential moving average that basically shows where price is averaging. I'm not too technical on what that means exactly, but the 200 EMA acts like a magnet, okay, to simplify it. And price always wants to test the 200 EMA no matter if price is above it or if price is below it, right? So right now price is below it, so I'm looking for it to test it inside of the area of interest that we're looking at also. So boom, short. That's my third confluence. So those are the reasons why I am looking to short NQ. Was it 20? So Des, I see your post on my Instagram. What's up, brother? Excited to get you this discount period. Yeah, California's cancer, which is where I'm from. My last company ran me all over. I've been to 44 or 45 of the 48 states. That's crazy, bro. My wife and I love California. I was born in San Francisco, so I have a soft place in my heart for Cali. And tough decisions here. Tough decisions. Gold shorts or tough decisions. I got to be on the road here in a bit. If you haven't done so, would love to just get over the 30 like mark. 30 likes would mean so much to me. It would mean the world if we can get over 30 likes, please. That would be great. I was looking to go long in this 5-minute demand, which I don't know why it didn't fill me. What in the what? It tapped it, or on TradingView, it shows that it tapped it. On TopStep, it doesn't show that it tapped it. That's not cool. Not cool. I was hoping to have it tap, but I don't know whether to take it now based on the charts. Gonna wait for this next candle. All right, this is my last shot for the day. I'm going to lock myself out after this. We had a good run up for the week. But I'm looking to go long here in this 5-minute demand, which we're probably going to get cooked. Five micros are actually too aggressive today, which is crazy to think about. But the volume is a bit too tight. I was looking to short here, but I don't know if we're going to get there. So I was trying to catch the move long. And I think I feel pressured because I have to leave here in 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm trying to force myself to catch something. And that's kind of what's throwing me off a bit. So yeah. I'm feeling the pressure to trade something because I have to leave, which is not a good thing. Yeah, we're going to one more trade, brother. This is my last one. I'm still up for the day or for the week, so I'm not going to trade anymore after this one. It's a 5-minute demand. I'm just looking for the reversal to go higher to make this is like the new lower high. So I'm looking for it to bounce here, up here. So that's what the level was. I just didn't have the time to wait for the supply zone to go short because I'm so tight on time. So I decided to take the longs. Might be wrong, but we shall see. So far, my stop is way too tight. I'm not liking it. This 5-minute candle is about to close. And it looks like we're going to get cooked. 8, 7, 6, 5. We need this 5-minute candle to close above the 13 EMA to be somewhat safe. But that's not the greatest candle. Not the greatest candle. Not the greatest candle close. It's an indecision candle. Shows weakness. So we might not get this dub. Might be down 5, 6, 7, 800 for the day. These are just evals. This isn't a live funded account. We're probably cooked here, everybody. We're probably cooked. Kind of forced myself into a trade because of time. That's my analysis, my journal in my head. I like the trade. I'm not mad at it if it stops me out. I like it, but I did force myself into a trade because of time, which is not always good. Not good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add into the trade. And I'm going to lower my stop to the same amount if we do get higher. All right, we added into the trade. Oh, no. Fail. Fail. That was a big fail. I got out of the trade. Or I sold one. I was not trying to sell one. I was trying to add. Ay caramba. I fudged that up. It's gambling, right? Yeah, I guess so. Everything's risky. Shorts on gold. Shorts on gold incoming. Shorts on gold incoming. I'm going to set my alerts there. Hey, good morning, Matt. I have to go. Ay, caramba. That doesn't look good. Someone said it's gamble. Yeah, it's a bit of a gamble. Are you on a 50K? Yep, I have two 50K TopStep accounts right now. These are 5 micro contracts. It doesn't tell me what the capital is, like how much I'm in. But I'm going to buy one more, add into the trade, and lower my stops to the same amount that I was looking to stop out at. So I was looking to risk 250 bucks, so I'm going to stay at the $250 risk mark, right? I added into the trade because I like that we had the long movement higher, and I got to be content with the fact that this might reverse and just stop me out. But I'm adding into the trade to our take profit if we get there. Good morning, team. Happy Wednesday. Okay, I think we're cooked. I think we're cooked, everybody. I think we're cooked. Boom. Yeah, not a bad trade. I don't know. We were up. Oh no, we were up like $300 or $400, but not mad. Part of the game. Just bound my account, guys. LOL. Hey, it's part of the game, bro. Part of the game. You know, don't beat yourself up too much. It's part of the game. So I got to get ready. I have to hit the road. So I'm going to possibly wait for this setup on TopStep or on my Funded Hero account for gold. So that being said, if you enjoyed the stream today, it would mean so much to me if you could leave a like If I earned your sub, that would mean so much to me too. Let's do it again. Let's do it again tomorrow. And if NQ freaking bounces from here, I'm going to be so mad. I'm going to be so mad. Oh my gosh. NQ just stopped us out to go higher. I'm on tilt. I'm on tilt. So I'm just going to wait for gold later if it does happen. If it happens is the question. So I like this trend line right here on gold. Something like this. And look to short up here in the 5-minute supply. So we got stopped out on the move long, which is frustrating on NQ. But that's trading 101, I guess. Part of the game. If that gets to TP, y'all saw it here. We lost that trade earlier this morning, which was crazy. And then now we just got stopped out on a trade that would be another winner. So both trades that I would have taken today would have been winners. Like the first one, the ones in between were just quick try to scalps. This one was an actual setup, but yeah, just got cooked on that one. Take the NQ trade again. I was gonna take it again, but I have to literally like pack up my camera gear, throw stuff into the car, hit the road here. So there's usually 2 raids. First one is the early entries, and the second one grabs them to go. Yeah, you know, I can see that. I can see that now. A bit frustrating. Just a wee bit frustrating. There's usually 2 raids. First one would have been a big winner. Yeah, first one would have been absolutely insane. Just crazy win. I'm gonna wait for the PM to trade now. Nice. All right, guys, I appreciate it. We should have another giveaway tomorrow from Funded Hero, so stay tuned. Dez, I got you. I'm just waiting for them to send me the information. If you're looking to buy a Funded Hero account, use my code ShackMT. Appreciate you guys. I will see you in the